Hey there, it's Steve
and Terry
from SeriousKeto, and we are back with another Keto Chow unboxing. We missed January. It was kind of a busy month for us. Things were a little bit weird around here, but we are back. And one of the changes that Keto Chow made in January is they changed up their boxes. They now have what's called My Chow. So you can get My Chow or you can get the surprise box. The surprise box is what we're still going to get, just because it's fun. But it's not always fun if you wind up getting some packets of flavors you don't like. So what they've done is they've put in a deal where you can create this recurring monthly order for 20 packets, 30 packets, 60 packets, or 90 packets, and you pick all the flavors. So that, I think, if you're sort of surprise adverse, that's a pretty good way to go. But we, on the other hand, we like surprises in our boxes.
yes.
And we've got a special surprise this month because they accidentally sent me something they weren't supposed to.
Oh.
Yes. So I got an email from Lynette at Keto Chow, and she said, Steve, we accidentally put our 2 new secret flavors in here. We weren't supposed to. You were supposed to instead get salted caramel and mocha. But instead, we got these flavors. And she said, you cannot tell anybody what these flavors are until after February 1st. So even though we're trying this like on the 24th, we can't actually publish this video till after the 1st.
Okay.
So here we go. Little, oh my. Oh. I don't even know what to say about this. This feels like an April Fool's joke, kind of, to me. Here's what we've got. Black licorice and red licorice.
Yeah, I like licorice.
You like red licorice?
I like, yeah.
What about black licorice?
Both.
Okay.
I like both.
All right, well, so then you're happy.
Yes.
This makes me sad. Right here. I thought this was a joke flavor. Like when Chris Bear was talking about it, I thought, and people were asking, I seriously thought this was a joke, but I guess it's real. We're gonna have to mix some of this up.
Yeah, I like black.
All right, so I'm not thrilled at the moment about that. I'll let you kind of peel through the rest. They've gone from all purple confetti to multicolor. Those are all like your favorite colors.
Yeah, those are green. Yeah.
Those are all the colors from. What's that game with the timer and you got to give hints?
Oh yeah.
Catchphrase.
Catchphrase.
Yes, it's the catchphrase colors.
These are good ones.
All right, let's go through the packets first. Why don't we just alternate? You go one, I go one.
Okay.
You can go first.
Banana. Woohoo. Yes.
Vanilla.
Beef soup. Yes. Good.
Orange mango.
Chocolate mint.
Now we already got the mega bag of chocolate mint, the last one, so
Right.
You're pretty much set there. Chocolate peanut butter, probably my second best favorite. That didn't come out right. And another one.
Chocolate peanut butter.
And then I'm pretty pleased to see this. This makes up for the licorice.
I like licorice, so.
The 20 or 21 serving bag is my favorite flavor. Raspberry cheesecake. So good. I love this. Any other stuff? Okay, so recipes. What do we have for recipes? Fewer recipe cards this month.
Yeah, that's okay. Peanut butter and jelly thumbprint cookies.
Ooh, okay.
That's good. Butter pecan cookies.
Pecan.
Dark chocolate raspberry fudge. Ooh.
Okay.
And this one's really good. Swedish meatballs. That's a good supper.
That's probably where we got the beef soup base there.
You're very good. And banana oatmeal cookies.
I wonder what they're putting in there for the oatmeal.
Yeah.
Coconut flakes.
Oh.
All right, those could be good.
That would be good.
So now,
Swedish meatballs, good supper.
So now I am going to step away from the camera for a second and whip up the 2 licorice flavors. You're way more excited about this.
I like licorice. So.
Okay. All right, well, I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right, I have prepared our 2 licorice flavored Keto Chows here, and sometimes I make it with butter, sometimes I make it with heavy whipping cream. Usually I do butter just because I think it tastes better. The flavors come out a little bit more, whereas the heavy whipping cream can kind of dull them. But I also find when I use butter, since you got to heat up the butter, it takes a while to cool it down, got to keep it in the fridge. I wanted to get over I wanted to get this over, so I did 1 tablespoon of butter, which I melted, and then I added some heavy whipping cream. And water, of course. Now, here's the thing. You can't tell which is which, can you?
No.
Want to guess?
This one's the black.
Good job. Which one do you want to start with?
Probably the red, because
Okay.
black is more powerful. Black
right.
licorice is more overpowering.
Yeah, let's use the bigger glasses, because I think if there's one that I don't dislike, it'll be the red.
Okay.
That makes sense. All right. How much you want?
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they didn't add any color to it, which I suppose is good.
Yeah. Cheers. I like it. It smells
That is
good,
actually
like licorice.
not
totally.
bad.
It's very good.
It 100%
Yes.
tastes like red licorice, and I'm
Yes.
I'm not a big red licorice fan because it's too sweet for me.
And it does taste more like the old-fashioned red rope licorice. Nothing against Twizzlers, but yeah,
I don't think
Twizzler
anyone-
has a different flavor than the other actual really red licorice, and this tastes like I can taste that. Yeah, I'm just saying.
Well,
Or
I'm saying
cherry.
you don't have to like pat it for the
Yeah.
folks from Twizzlers, because I doubt there's anyone from Twizzlers watching this
No,
video. But
yeah, this
I-
is more cherry. This is good. I like it because that other stuff's not. Yeah.
yeah, and it's interesting that you
really
mentioned
good.
cherry, because I had talked to Chris Bear about making a cherry flavored keto chow, and he said the problem is every time they've tried to do any sort of cherry flavor, it winds up tasting like cough syrup. But now I think with something like the red licorice, of course, I only had 1 pack, but with red licorice, a person could potentially make some spumoni, because they've
Yeah.
got the cherry ice cream, the
Yes.
was it vanilla and chocolate? Is that what it is? Or no, pistachio.
Pistachio, the green. Yeah.
Yeah,
But
because
there
it's
is
the colors of
pistachio.
the colors of the Italian flag.
But isn't there is
There is,
pistachio?
there is. So yeah,
keto
we've got
chow,
all the
yeah.
flavors. We could totally make some keto chow in the Ninja Creamy ice cream spumoni.
Yeah, this is really
I'm-
good. I like this.
I'm pleasantly surprised. All right, I don't think I'm going to be pleasantly surprised on the black licorice though.
I think I will because this was really good.
Okay, well,
I like black licorice.
yeah, totally smells.
Yeah.
Actually, what were those like? Were they called like licorice nibs or whatever? The
Plenty, good and plenties.
yeah.
Yeah,
so
they're
they got
black
like that little
licorice
candy
with white
coating.
and pink. Yeah.
Okay.
Good and plenty. Good and plenty. Yeah. Good and plenty. There you go. I like it. Again, it's more the old fashioned. It's not the real junky black. This is good and plenty. This is really good. This is totally like that. Oh my gosh.
I
could go.
I have to admit now twice that I'm wrong, because as much as I dislike black licorice, the creaminess of this really is nice. I'm kind of beside myself.
Yeah. This is like good and plenty candy. It's really good.
Well, so now we're going to be hoping to get more of these, I guess, next month.
Yeah.
So what seemed at first to be sort of a bad surprise turned out, in fact, to be a pleasant surprise. So I don't think you'll get that in your box. I don't think everybody else is getting that, but it is going to be a flavor that is now officially available as of February 1st. So if you are a My Chow box subscriber, you can add it to your box, give it a try next month. My voice went out there just for a second. Give it a try next month.
They're both really good.
All right. That's it then. What do you say?
Yeah, have some more.
Oh,
See you and watch you next time.
they'll see us next time.
They'll see you next time. Us
Yeah.
next time.
That's right. There you go. Thanks for watching.